Hey, Jake, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. Just picking up some veggies for dinner. How about you?
Doing great. What are you making tonight?
I'm thinking of making a vegetable stew.
Sounds delicious. Need some help choosing the ingredients?
That'd be great. I could use some fresh tomatoes. Do you have any?
Absolutely. These tomatoes were picked this morning. How many do you need?
Let me get 4, please. Do you also have green beans?
I sure do. Want a pound of them?
Yeah, a pound sounds perfect. What about potatoes?
Got some red ones? How many?
4 of those too, and I'll take a pound of carrots.
Here you go. Anything else?
What fruits are in season? My kids loved the watermelon I bought last time.
I've got watermelon again, plus some sweet strawberries. Want to try them?
Oh, I love strawberries. I'll take 2 pounds.
Perfect. That'll be $22.
Here's the cash. Thanks, Olivia. See you next week.
Thanks, Jake. Have a great evening.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for a new shirt.
Sure. What style are you looking for? We have casual, formal, and slim fit options.
I prefer a regular fit casual shirt.
Got it. What's your size?
Medium, please.
Here's one in your size. It's made from 100% cotton.
Nice. I'm looking for something soft and breathable. Does this one fit the bill?
Definitely. It's lightweight and soft to the touch. Perfect for everyday wear.
This seems perfect. How much is it?
It's $35.
Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are just over there.
This feels super comfortable. It's a little loose around the sleeves, but I don't mind.
Glad to hear that. It's pre-shrunk, so you won't have to worry about it shrinking in the wash.
Great. I'll take it.
Hi, I'd like to buy these 2 books, please.
Sure, we have a deal going on right now. Buy 2 books and get the third free. Would you like to pick another?
That's a great offer. Do you have any books on health and lifestyle?
Yes, that section is right at the back, next to the family section.
Thanks, I'll check it out. Here's the third book.
That'll be $35. Would you like these wrapped as a gift?
No thanks.
How would you like to pay, cash or card?
Card, please.
Thanks for shopping with us.
So, what's the issue with the project?
The client keeps asking for changes and wants it done sooner than we agreed.
That's challenging. Should we extend the working hours?
The team's already feeling burnt out.
Well, this is a crucial client. We might need to push a bit harder.
Maybe we should hire some additional help.
Unfortunately, there's no time for that.
Maybe we could offer overtime pay to keep the team motivated.
All right, I'll authorize overtime pay and talk to the client about extending the deadline.
How are you feeling now?
Much better. I'll be discharged in 2 days.
That's great. When will you be back at school?
Probably next week.
We've all missed you. Did you miss much in class?
Not too much, but we had to write a poem for Miss Amy's class.
That doesn't sound too bad.
It was hard, but I'll be back soon.